Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making the classic Mexican recipe beef birria. This is also the meat used in the infamous quesadilla taco. However, there are multiple uses for this in Mexican cuisine. This dish is traditionally made in a pot on the stovetop, but you know me, I'm going to make this big green egg style. To begin, I have my egg preheated at 300 degrees using indirect heat and hickory chips for flavor. I have chuck roast that I've actually made a marinade of tomatoes and peppers and marinated it overnight. The ingredients and the method for this recipe can be found in the description of this video, as well as at healthytohogwildfood.com. There's a link for that in our profile. We're going to begin by placing this meat on the egg, and we're going to cook it for 40 minutes. While our meat was cooking, I took the marinade and I actually put it in a pot, and I added a cup of beef stock and a cinnamon stick, and I brought that to a boil. I put our chuck in a pan, and now I'm simply going to pour this liquid over the top, and then we're going to braise this back in the egg for another 2 hours, covered tightly with aluminum foil. This is going to be incredible. I can't wait. All right, so our birria is done now, and as you can see, it turned out incredibly. It's juicy, the meat is falling apart. Now from here, I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to shred the beef, separate it from the juice, but I'm going to save the consommé because that's very important when it comes to making the quesadilla taco. By the way, keep an eye out for my quesadilla taco short, and that'll give you all the instruction on that. Okay guys, until next time, keep on cooking.